Yes, you are seeing this correctly. This is a new Modified Weekly install video. Today, we have got a GruppeM intake to install. So gassed. JDM as fuck. Right, I know that we already had an engine cold air intake video on our channel, but you know what the British weather's like. Winter, floods. I weren't risking flooding my engine, so I bought this. It's shit, but it saved my engine from water. Also losing about 40-50 horsepower because of the heat soak from my manifold, so it's ideal, I know. So that's why, yeah, picked up GruppeM, and yeah, try and get some gains. My car is a little bit neglected at the moment, I know, but 2019, this is it. Alright, first things first, we're going to get that old ropey, old dodgy looking thing out, yeet it across the fence, and let's get the new one in. It only had one 10mm bracket on it, nice and easy to uninstall. And that's it. Doesn't fit. Just a little tip on the hose coming from the idle air assist valve. I know that a lot of people just like yank the hose off and stuff and it snaps the idle, but just get a pair of pliers on it, give it a little twist, and then pull it at the same time gently and just ease it off when it eventually comes off. Yeah, look, watch me snap it now. There we go. No snappage occurred. Right, so because the intake was second hand, I came with a pre-cut scuttle panel. But like, yeah, you just cut that out and then put that in. I don't know. I'm glad that I didn't have to do it though. So to get this part of the scuttle off, I'm pretty sure it's just these two pop clips, one here and one here. So if we just go ahead and remove them. Alright, making a right meal out of this. Stop recording. So yeah, once you've got them two pop clips out, you just got this little bit of rubber hose to take off. And then your scuttle just literally unclips from there and comes out that easily. I weren't actually expecting that, to be honest. So now we've got the old scuttle off. It's now time to put the pre-cut one on, and yeah, it'll look so much better because it's got carbon fibre. Hold tight the Tagiwa. Johnny Tagiwa, my man. Hit me up, yeah? Oh, that was easy. Then you just put your two little pop clips in. Pop. Oh, that one just fell in. Alright, and that's that. It's probably one of the easiest things I've ever done. We had bare flights out today. They must be going one up and the other, up and the other. Joni boy's not back today. Under the flight path, you know. We've got our scuttle in, looks painting. We are now going to get our, I don't really know what you'd call this.
Intake hose.
Our UFO.
Yeah.
In, and our intake hose, and our rocker cover breather hose, and get it in. Right, so let's just, yeah, get in there. I can't do these. So watch me split it. Oh, there we go.
That's a tight fit.
It's the RBC. It throws it off at such a dodgy angle. As you can tell, a little bit rusty with car parts and that. It's been like, what, 5 months? And once you've got it all in position, you just got to get your 10mm out and just do up that little bracket bolt. Nice and tight. I have already tightened it.
Then you want to take your bracket back off because you did it too tight and it's got no movement.
Why do I decide to work on cars? It's never easy. Well, this is easy.
So after about half an hour of fiddling around, I've come to an agreement that this bracket is not actually long enough for the GruppeM intake to sit perfectly square.
It's pissed.
But that's only because he's got the RBC intake. Obviously if you had the PCB or whatever it is, PRB, the intake would sit over here square and it'd go up and sit perfectly square.
Also, just to get the hose on, we had to cut about 25mm off of the intake hose just so it'll fit. Like, yeah, sorry, like we ain't recorded not much, but it's been such a fiddle.
Literally all we'd need is like a little bridging plate here, just to make it go over at like 10mm and it'd sit perfectly in there.
Oh, heat shield's in as well. But another reason why it can't really go straight is because it is already touching the heat shield with all of the ugly white foam's for. It's a right pain in the arse with an RBC inlet.
So
I thought it was going to be like a 10-minute job.
What we've agreed is we're going to put it on pist, get it on, get it all plumbed in and on, yes. And then find something to do a bridging plate at a later date to move it over and square it up.
I don't know.
Or because of the intake manifold change.
Why didn't I just boost it?
As night time sets upon us, we're still here fiddling with the getting all the pipes in, getting it all actually on and functional.
Oh, it's too small.
Still struggling as it is, nothing's changed.
Nothing at all. Okay, so just recording a couple sound clips, or we got the GoPro out there recording the noise from the new intake, and then we just got another camera in here recording hopefully some intake noise and exhaust note from inside the car. So I'm just gonna go for a little drive down the road, get my engine fully up to temperature, come back and then hopefully give it a little bit of a hoon. So I've driven about 2 miles now, well 2 mile loop of the roads nearby, just to get the engine fully up to temp, which it is now, so let's go. So just kind of like filming a little outro and that. So yeah, more bad videos coming up. Just tune in every weekend. just see us just mess up our cars. That looks so bad.